Hey everyone, so I will show you how to showcase a listing from Proxio Connect. So the first thing you must know is that the agent must be premium or global to showcase a listing. So if I go here to Property tab, I will see how many listings can I upgrade. So I already showcased 3 of the listings where I have 2 listings left. So I click here in the upgrade option and I select the listing I want to showcase. So in this case, I will click here in the Miami listing, and now I will go to Proxy Showcase profile. So here I will find in my public profile the listing that I just showcased and the other 3 that I had before. So here it is. I have the marketing material, and here is the analytics. If I need to find any listing, I can find it here. Okay, here it is.